How does airbag deployment affect my insurance rates? Have you ever wondered how the deployment of airbags in your vehicle impacts your insurance rates? Let's break it down in simple terms. When airbags deploy, it indicates that your vehicle has been involved in a significant accident. This can lead to various effects on your insurance experience. First, it is important to note that simply having deployed airbags does not directly increase your insurance rates. However, if you choose to drive without replacing them, this could lead to safety issues and potential legal problems if you are in another accident. Now let's talk about the costs. Replacing deployed airbags can be quite pricey. The cost for a single airbag replacement can range from $1,000 to $2,000. If multiple airbags deploy during an accident, the total cost can exceed $5,000. Fortunately, if you have collision coverage or if another driver is at fault, your insurance may cover these expenses. When it comes to insurance coverage, most policies will cover airbag replacement if the deployment occurs during an accident. However, if the total repair costs exceed the value of your vehicle, the insurance company may declare it a total loss. This is a critical factor to keep in mind when estimating vehicle damage for auto insurance. Airbag deployment can also influence the settlement amount in your accident claims. Since deployed airbags often indicate a more severe collision, this can support claims for injuries and potentially lead to higher compensation. While airbag deployment itself does not directly affect your insurance rates, the associated repair costs and the possibility of your vehicle being declared a total loss can impact your overall insurance experience. It is essential to ensure that any repairs are done by a qualified professional to maintain your vehicle's safety and comply with insurance requirements. In summary, understanding how airbag deployment affects your insurance can help you navigate the claims process more effectively. Always keep in mind the costs involved and the importance of proper vehicle repairs to ensure your safety and financial well-being.